Without civil engineers, you don't have the roads to drive to where you're going, the buildings that you live in, the water that comes through your tap. The HNC Civil Engineering is a part-time course. It provides you the basic knowledge in civil engineering. Some of the modules that you cover are engineering mathematics, structural analysis and design, and engineering communication. So what you are gaining in university is the academic theory behind what you're doing in industry. We have industry-based labs, we do material testing, we've got a structural floor. So I like to make and break and show how things fail on the structural floor. The benefit and the beauty of civil engineering is that it's so wide and vast. The opportunities for civil engineering is humongous.